Hey guys, today we're going to solve LeetCode number 704, binary search. And just to be clear, this problem is really easy to solve, but it's really hard to understand how binary search works and apply it to other problems. So for this, we're going to use a template that I've already shown you on the channel. And yeah, I'm going to try to solve all of the binary search problems on LeetCode with that template. So my template that I've found it on LeetCode. And it is a template that, given a condition function, it returns you the lowest index in the array that satisfies that condition, if there is any, obviously. And yeah, so here we just want to find a index with a certain target value. So our condition is just going to be if the element at the current index is greater or equal than target, and that's going to be our Boolean condition. So we're going to find the first index in the array where the value at that index is greater or equal than target. And obviously that's going to be our index that we want to return here if it is actually equal to the target value. Because we don't know, like we could not have that, and in that case we'd have to return -1. Okay, so let's go for it. So the first thing is I want to write down the condition, right? So that's the Boolean condition that will tell me if I have to search to the right or to the left of my current middle point. So now it's just a matter of writing down the template and using the condition function. So the template is as follows. You initialize your left and your right variables to the edges of your search space. So this is just an array, so the first plausible element, the first candidate is 0, and the last one is this one. So these are the first and the last indices of the array. And then while left is less than right, so this is just the condition for stopping our while loop, we calculate the middle point like that. And then we run the condition on the current midpoint. And if the condition holds, then we want to try and move to the left. So we want to try and find if there is any other number to the left that satisfies the condition. And if the condition is not met, then we want to move left forward so that mid will also be forward. And then hopefully in the next iteration, we're going to have this condition hold true. Okay. And so now at the end, you just want to, you're going to exit here. This is the key thing about this template. When you exit this while loop, left is going to be the first index in your array where the condition holds. So we can just check if that element at that index is equal to the target. And if it is, we can return left. Okay. But if the number of that at that index is not equal to the target, so if the lowest index, if the lowest value that is greater or equal to target is not equal to target, then it means that we do not have the target in the array, and so we need to return -1. Okay, so yeah, this is the template, and just memorize this and remember that whatever you put in here, so here you just need to put a Boolean condition, and at the end of the loop, your left pointer is going to be the first index where that condition holds true, okay? And obviously, I mean, the condition needs to be something that is like monotonic. So if it is true for a certain index, it needs to also hold true for all of the following indices, okay? So yeah, you can't just use this search algorithm on a unsorted array and hope for the best. You need to actually have a sorted sequence or some sorted property of some kind. So that's it. I'm going to submit the solution to show that it works. And that's it from me today. Thank you for watching, and bye.